In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an estimate in Zoho Books, a full 2025 guide. If you're looking to streamline your financial process and create clear professional estimates, this is the tutorial for you. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening Zoho Books and navigating to the dashboard. This is typically where all your financial data and key metrics are displayed. From here, look for the Sales section. The Sales section is where you'll find all your customer interactions and revenue-generating activities. Click on it. Once you're in the Sales menu, scroll until you see the Quotes option. Quotes in Zoho Books function as estimates, providing your potential clients with a detailed overview of pricing and project specifications without locking either party into a contract. Click on Quotes, and you'll be brought into yet another section dedicated to creating and managing your quotes. Next, you'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on this to start drafting a new estimate. Creating a new quote is an opportunity to lay out all your project's pricing elements. Now, to specify who this quote is for, you'll need to select or add a customer. Click on Select or Add a Customer, and from there you can either choose an existing client or add new customer details if it's for someone new. Once you've selected your customer, look for your target company. You'll select the appropriate company for the quote. For example, click on XYZ Company. This ensures the quote is linked to the correct client in your records. Next up, you want to add a reference number. This serves as a unique identifier for your quote, making it easier to track and organize among potentially hundreds of documents. Simply type in your chosen reference number in the designated field. Now let's set the quote date. This is the day you're officially generating this estimate. Click on Quote Date and select the current date or the date you're finalizing the details, often the 13th of the month in documentation. Following the quote date, the next step is the expiry date. This signals to your client how long the offer is valid. Click on Expiry Date and select the 15th, or whichever date gives your client a reasonable time frame to respond. It's time to link this quote to a specific project. Click on Select a Project and choose the one relevant to this quote, like Company Audit. Associating a project ensures the work is clearly defined within the system. You'll then add item details. This includes everything your estimate needs to cover, such as quantities, unit costs, and any additional charges. Once all the details are in, click on the Total AED section to review the cost breakdown. Finally, before sending off your freshly minted estimate, save it by clicking Save as Draft. This preserves all your work and lets you make adjustments if needed before finalizing. And there you have it, a professional estimate crafted in Zoho Books, ready to impress your client.